So I don't know if you noticed, I look a little bit different today. It's because I'm wearing my new wig from UniWigs. The style is called Pandora, which I think is really cute. But I did customize this wig so that it would work better for me. So I guess it's time to get into it. And this is the final result after I dyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed and appreciated this review. I really wanted to find something that more people were able to afford, and I think that even if you can't afford it right now, this is definitely an attainable goal as far as saving up. I know that we are in tough times right now, but I still want to look cute. I feel like other people still want to look cute. You've still got Zoom calls to attend, like life is happening. So I really hope this helps anybody that has been dying for one of these wigs. I think this is going to be a really amazing option for you. This is the easiest wig that I've ever had to just chuck on and like leave the house. Like there is absolutely nothing that I have to do to it. There is like a tiny bit of lace under the bangs, but you don't have to glue it. Nothing is glued on. I literally just put this on like a hat and then kind of like shimmy it out and it's basically good to go. So for that reason, I think this is just an amazing starter wig, or even to add to your collection. It's a really cute style. I just adored how it had like these little curled in edges because it reminds me of Velma from Scooby-Doo. I'm getting massive Velma vibes. And yeah, I just thought it was the cutest and I really wanted to review it for you guys because I know that this one is going to be a little bit more attainable than some of the other ones that I've shown. I hope everyone's staying safe out there. Be kind to each other and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!